Hello everyone, in this video we have been given a plus b plus c equal 1 and ab plus bc plus ca equal 1 divided by 3. Now we are going to find the value of a is to b is to c. Answer: ab plus BC plus CA equal 1 divided by 3 and A plus B plus C equal 1. Squaring on both sides, then we get A plus B plus C whole square equal 1 whole square. A plus B plus C whole square equal A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA equal 1 whole square equal 1. AB plus BC plus CA equal 1 divided by 3. Then A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 1 divided by 3 equal 1. Then A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 divided by 3 equal 1. A square plus B square plus C square equal 1 minus 2 divided by 3. Then A square plus B square plus C square equal LCM 3, then 3 minus 2 divided by 3, then A square plus B square plus C square equal 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 equal AB plus BC plus CA. Then A square plus B square plus C square equal AB plus BC plus CA. Multiplying both sides by 2, then we get 2 into A square plus B square plus C square equal 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Then 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square equal 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Then 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA equal 0. Then A square minus 2AB plus B square plus B square minus 2BC plus C square plus C square minus 2CA plus A square equal 0. Then A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square equal 0. Sum of three square number is 0. Then A minus B whole square equal 0. Then A minus B equal 0. Then A equal B. B minus C whole square equal 0. B minus C equal 0. Then B equal C. C minus A whole square equal 0. C minus A equal 0. Then C equal A. A equal B. B equal C. C equal A. Then we get A equal B equal C. Now A is to B is to C equal A is to B equal A is to C equal A, then equal 1 is to 1 is to 1. Thus, our answer A is to B is to C equal 1 is to 1 is to 1.